Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can add 80's effect to our video in CapCut to create 80's look editing. Alright guys, here I have imported photos to my CapCut project and I'm going to apply 80's effect to this photo. I'm going to click on the second photo and click on the style, and here we have to open the AI photo category. And we can select the 80's glamour effect or style. Just click on it, and as you can see that the effect or the style has been applied to my photo. And then I'm going to add transition. So I'm going to add this one, this dissolve transition. Okay, and I'm going to increase the duration as well, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add 80's effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.